Hi, I'm Jennifer Chongbian with Ruttenberg Realty. I'm an associate broker and senior vice president with our Manhattan branch. Today we are going to talk about how to make an offer on a co-op. So before you put in that offer and figure out what dollar value you're actually willing to offer the seller, you want to work with your agent on this one. They will be the best ones to advise you on how much to offer, since they are going to be pulling what are called comparables or comps. And those are similar properties as the one that you're looking to purchase. And they will have access to, closed sales from the past 6 months to 1 year, and all that sort of data, which will help price your apartment. And after that, it's a fairly simple procedure. It's just, email from agent to agent saying, Jane Doe would like to offer X amount of dollars for 123 Main Street, apartment, 18D. And along with that email, you want to put a little information about yourself, such as, your job, maybe how long you've been in the city. I'm looking to upgrade into a larger apartment, and this is why we'd like to make an offer on 123 Main Street. Keep in mind that it is important with your offer, you have to have a pre-approval letter attached, or the seller is not even going to entertain it, and the selling agent is going to demand, where is that pre-approval letter, which you get from your lender. After that happens, then the seller's agent will be sending the board package application to your buyer's broker, and they will send it to you. And when you go through the package, you have to provide every single financial document and any financial questions that are on the package. So that's pretty much the starting point on how to make an offer on a co-op. I'm Jennifer Chongbian with Ruttenberg Realty, an associate broker in the Manhattan office. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you soon.